Greetings everyone, Forrest from Thrust Institute of Maintenance again. Today we're going to go for a tour of our facility. We'll start right here in the front office where you will get your custom tour of our facility. This area here is our airframe space. It is where our students learn to work on sheet metal, fluid lines and fittings, and perform electrical projects. This side of the shop is our power plant area. Our students disassemble, inspect, repair, and reassemble engines in this part of the facility. Here we have one of our many electronics trainers set up, demonstrating the systems of aircraft and allowing our students to practice wiring up an airplane in a simulated environment. Here we have one of our many engines. This one happens to be a TFE 731, same engine that is installed on the Learjet. With an engine like this, our students are able to practice safety wiring, installation and removal of fuel nozzles, and installation and removal of fan blades. At Thrust, we're constantly trying to expand the types and variety of aircraft our students can work on. This one is a 1972 Grumman Yankee that has been upgraded to a 150 horsepower engine, another wonderful training aid to aid our students in becoming the next generation of mechanics. This aircraft is the pride and joy of our hangar, 1978 Cessna 152. This is the one our students restored from the ground up, including overhauling the engine, the avionics, the interior, and the paint. I look forward to having this on display for them at Oshkosh. Welcome to the first of our classrooms here where we have students hard at work studying airframe principles. This is our capstone room where the students spend 1 month of intense preparation getting ready for the oral and practical testing. Matter of fact, got a couple right here hard at work. Last but not least, we have our classrooms where our students study hard every day, listening to lectures, reading books, doing their paperwork, and taking exams. If you're thinking about becoming an aircraft mechanic, our admissions staff would love to hear from you. We've got our Addison campus here, but we also have a brand new campus in Fort Worth and in Conroe near Houston. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here, guys. Till next time.